Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Meals by Mary. Have you ever wondered how to turn a simple pasta and pesto into unforgettable side dish or light meal? Today, we're unlocking the secret to the most delicious and easy pesto pasta salad. So, let's start. First, we're going to cook our pasta. Into a boiling water, add a generous amount of salt. I like adding salt at this stage so the pasta itself gets seasoned. Remember, this is the only time you get to season the pasta from the inside. Once it starts boiling, add your pasta. Now, while the pasta is cooking, we're going to use this time to prepare the rest of our ingredients, which by the way are not much. And this is why I started with the pasta, so I have time to prepare the rest of the ingredients while cooking the pasta. Now, cut your cherry tomato in half. They work so well with pesto sauce. And at this point, you can also add dry tomato, it will give you an extra flavor. Also, roughly chop your arugula and prepare your pesto sauce. I'm using store bought today for this recipe. If you would like to know how to make homemade pesto sauce, comment down below. At this point, the pasta is cooked, so drain it very well from any liquids and let it cool completely. You don't want to add cold ingredients to a hot pasta, it will break the dressing. As the pasta is drained and cooled completely, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients to it in one bowl. Start by adding your delicious pesto sauce. I'm using about half a cup. Mix it with your pasta, but be gentle so you don't break the pasta. I'm using this shape because I like it with pasta salads, but you can of course use any shape that you want. Then add about half a cup of cherry tomato. And if you're using dry tomato, add it at this stage. Now to this, add your mozzarella pearls. I'm using about half a cup for this recipe, but you can add more. For extra touch of deliciousness, I like to add Parmesan cheese that pairs so well with pesto sauce. Mix them really well so that the ingredients get that delicious pesto flavor. But again, be gentle when mixing. Try folding it from side to side rather than stirring it too hard. That way, you keep the pasta intact and don't risk breaking it. Lastly, add your arugula. Give it a final mix, and that is it. You will find all the ingredients listed in the description box. I do recommend letting it sit in the fridge for a while for like an hour or so that all the flavors have time to meld together. So it's a great recipe to make ahead of time. I did add a pinch of salt at the end because the dressing was not salty enough, so give it a taste test before serving. This is a great recipe for meal prep, and with some chicken on the side, it becomes a complete meal. It is so fresh and vibrant. You will want to make it all season long. And if you're tired of boring side dishes, try this pesto pasta. It comes together in no time. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and comment below if you would like to see how to make pesto sauce from scratch. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary and see you in the next video. Bye bye.